Hey folks, this is Adam, and today I am super happy. The D on my hat doesn't stand for Detroit, although I'm a big lover of the city itself. It stands for Donner. Donner Guitars, Donner Acoustic Equipment, Donner Direct, Donner Deals. I love this company. It's literally one of my favorite companies around, and these guys, I was lucky enough to get a hold of these fantastic, these are studio monitor speakers, 3-inch. They've got a high-end sound, high fidelity, and if you're working in a studio and you need perfect sound, exact playback, exactly how it went in, you want to hear it almost like you've got the most high-end headphones around, these Donner Studio speakers are the ones for you. Now, because I'm a music guy, you've seen all around the studio, you've seen Johnny Cash, Jimi Hendrix, you've seen me with the keyboard, and you've seen me with the guitar. Well, today I wanted to go old school and pull out some of my favorite records from the collection. I need to put these up on the wall somewhere in the studio. And we need to play, I'm so excited about this. We're going to play my old records. While we do this, we're gonna play Smokey and the Bandit first. I'm gonna show you some other records. So stick around to the end of the video. This is your hook to stay long and enjoy this, but you're gonna wanna pick up these incredible acoustic speakers. Let's kick it off right about now. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a genuine smile. I'm super happy. I wanted to put this and hook it up with my old school record player, but let me turn this down so you can see it right here. Let me actually unplug it so I don't pull everything down. I'm gonna power it off. Now look at this. It has everything you need for installation. I used the input. You've got headphones right here. That's I believe just a normal headphone jack. But you've got the old school audio, you've got your volume control, your left and right. You can adjust the room spacing, the Bluetooth, the H, the hi-fi trim, etc., etc. It's good for 110 or 230, so it works in Europe. And you've got a power on and off. So what's the story with these? Now, one of the best things about them, I have to be very careful, things are balanced up there, is that they are Bluetooth. They'll work with pretty much any device that has Bluetooth. They have the 3mm jack, so you can put them in with your old stuff. You can wire them into your studio, and they offer exacting sound, like perfect sound. I decided just to go with the old record albums because I roll old school here at 911 Studios, but they're absolutely just the highest quality. These things weigh, for their size, they weigh a ton because the speaker in them, or the magnet in them, you can tell they put a high-end magnet, which is just the sign of quality. You can look at this. I'll put all the information in the description below. I'll try to put it on screen because I'm not great at remembering every little ohm and fact and frequency and whatever. We'll put that on screen. You can read that. But I can tell you that these are absolutely phenomenal speakers. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. Like in the studio, if you look around, like over on the side over here, got lighting over there, but you can see on the very far side, I have my Donner guitar. I've got my, let's see, my Moke karaoke machine. I've got my slot machine, and I definitely want to have these for when I'm playing back in editing. I think I'm going to put it in the editing bay that you see sometimes in some of these videos. So I know I'm a little bit all over the place tonight, but it's just because I'm so excited. You don't get a chance to get studio speakers like these all the time and test them out. And these are absolutely, undoubtedly, bar none, the best studio speakers that I've had to deal with in my life. And the price is absolutely phenomenal. That's the thing about Donner Direct. They're absolutely amazing. I reviewed speakers and I believe a keyboard of theirs, and the price is phenomenal. Like, just click on the link below. You're gonna see it. Prices changes. I don't want to say it on the video, but the price, it blew me away. You can't buy studio speakers like this for, it's a quarter of the price that I see some of the other brands. I don't know how they do it. They're amazing. Go ahead and check them out. I love Donner Direct. their deals. Dyna is amazing. So go ahead and check them out. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to click like and subscribe. And you know what? Before I let you go, I have to tell you, they do have these sound isolating pads they come with. They come with adhesive, so they'll stick right into your studio. You won't have to worry about anything there. Let's see if I can show you a couple of my albums. I know I promised you before. This was the old Smokey and the Bandit album that you were listening to earlier. Here's Easy Rider. We got their poster as well as the Blues Brothers on the wall. I need a Blues Brothers. Arlo Guthrie. Does anyone know what restaurant he frequents? Leave a comment below. I got some old school Elvis records. That's got to be worth something. AC/DC, Back in Black. Proof that I'm a Radiohead. Elvis. Johnny Taylor. Look at that pimp. So excited. More Elvis. My favorite album maybe of all time, Whipped Cream and Other Delights. And I wish I had it. It's downstairs, but I got some truckin' music that's just got the best album cover ever. So anyway, folks, go ahead, click like and subscribe. We have new videos all the time. Be very careful not to knock over my record player. You need to pick these up, folks. They're absolutely amazing. Look at all those connections in the back. Look at everything it has. Best sounding studio monitor speakers that I've ever had. Pick them up. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. We have new videos how often? All the time. Adios, amigos.